Hi guys, welcome back to our budgeting series. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today, we're gonna talk about shopping, and shopping. Yes, you're right. We're gonna talk about fashion shopping. Now let me ask you a question. Who doesn't like shopping? Yes, you're right. Almost nobody. Now, this video is dedicated to everyone who loves to do shopping. Let's start with setting a budget and stick into it. Since the fashion shopping is not really a primary necessity, we should set it according to our monthly income. So, when you earn less, you should also shop less. The budget should be maximum 3% of your income. Personally, I like to only spend maximum 1% from my monthly income. Now, let's set the priority. The first priority should be I need it right now. It means either you really need it right now or you need it in a week time. For example, I need a black shoes for my presentation next week. Or I'm going for hiking this weekend with my friends and I don't have a backpack, so I need to buy a backpack. The second priority is I will need it. It means that you will need the item either for the next season or in the next 3 months or in the next 6 months. As long as it is in the 1 year period. Don't plan to buy something that you will wear in the 3 years from now. For example, your sports shoes is already torn off and this is now still winter. But once the spring comes, you wanted to start jogging again. You wanted to go hiking with your friends. This is where you will need sports shoes. The third priority is I want it so badly. It means I saw it. It stole my heart. And even I already went back home, I couldn't forget about it. Even 1 week has passed by. For example, I saw a very beautiful dress. I tried. It fit me just perfect. When I went back without buying it, I thought about it. For many days, I couldn't even sleep because I just want to go back and buy it. That is how bad I want it. Now after deciding the budget and the priority, let's continue with where and when. Where is the right place to buy and when is the right time to buy? Let's start with where. Most of the good common brands usually have their physical stores as well as their online stores. If you already devoted to certain brands, you can try looking to their factory outlet or their designer outlet. This exists physically and sometimes online as well. I have one favorite brand and I have been shopping in their factory outlet in Singapore, Hong Kong, in Germany. It's practically everywhere. But if you can't find the factory outlet of your favorite brand near you, you can always try to find it when you go for traveling or find it online. It is usually in their website and you can go to the menu and choose outlet. Or just Google it, your favorite brand outlet. For example, brand A outlet. By buying in their outlet, you can buy an item with only €5 or €10 while the original price is €50. Another benefit is the discount in the outlet usually lasts forever, so you don't have to find really certain time to buy in an outlet. Even though the model in the outlet is not per se really up to date. Now, how if my favorite brand doesn't have an outlet or I don't really have a favorite brand? So you can just go to department store, any physical stores or online stores. Practically everywhere. Now let's talk about when. Even though you already allocate some of your monthly income to this fashion shopping budgeting, this doesn't mean that you have to finish everything in the month itself. You can keep this money separately and use it only for buying the item you need, the first priority, or the item that you will need, the second one, or you want it so badly, the third one, when the time is right. So, when is the right time? As you may already guess, the big sales usually come on Black Friday, Boxing Day, a few days before and after Christmas or New Year or other big public holidays happen in your country. In this time, usually the stores put additional discount, like additional 20% discounts for all items. So, when you buy, for example, tissues, which already on 50% discount, and you add additional 20% discount more, it means that the shoes now have 60% discount in total, which will save you more money. Another time to get a discount is when the season changes. This especially in the end of winter and in the end of summer, because these two seasons, usually the model of the fashion changes drastically. But even like a bag, which is not really season dependent, doesn't matter in winter you will bring what kind of bag and in summer what kind of bag, but this sale will also still apply. The last one is the sale happens after the big sale. Usually like in January after the Christmas and New Year sale. Of course, this is not the only sale that could happen. There are also some sales like opening sales, clearance sales, or just sales because they want to clean some space for the new items coming. There are easy ways to keep you updated with all of these sales without you have to keep coming to their stores or keep checking their website. The first one is getting free membership in their stores or their online stores. This way, you can get a discount for your first purchase, or you can get always small discount for every purchase, or you can collect some points and in the future you can exchange it with something. Additionally, you will also get free newsletter from them into your email to get updated with all their sales and new items. How good is that? The second one is opening their website a couple of times. This way, when you open your own social media or any other websites, you will get advertisements that related to those websites. This including when they have a big sale season. I almost forget. If you ask me, do I trust to buy my fashion apparel from China or from non-reputable website? My answer is no. I bought a lot of things from China. That's including small accessories like belt or like hairpin, but not like clothes or shoes or something bigger, because their picture can be really deceiving. Especially when I always get a very good deals from good brands that I trust. I also don't trust the non-reputable website because it can turn out that it's only a scam and you will lose your money. So if you want to buy from the website that you never heard it before, random website, please make sure that you check the review, Google it, see the review, what the people say, is it like a scam or not, see the price if it's too good to be true. So let me recap for you. The first one is decide your budget. It should be maximum of 3% from your net income. The second one is set your priority right. First priority should be I need it right now. The second one, I will need it. And the third one is I want it so badly. The third one is decide where you're gonna do your regular fashion fashion shopping. Find their outlet online or in physical stores. The design in the outlet may be not really up to date, but the price is always much cheaper. The fourth one is decide when you're gonna do your shopping. The big sales usually happens during the big holidays and sometimes also happens after the big holidays. I hope now you can control your fashion shopping desire and put the rest of the money into better use. If you like this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please also let me know what kind of the next video budgeting topic that you want me to cover and write it in the comment section below. If you think this video is useful for your friends and family, please share it with them. Thank you and